Welcome to Class ni Selly. Okay class, good afternoon. Tayo nga pala ay mag-start na ng panibago nating lesson. Please turn on your camera so I can see your faces. Okay. Roxanne, Dark. Oh, ayan. I can see Miss Gigi. I can see Mr. Dark, what is that? Kakagising. Rise and shine. Miss Mizu, Rika, Rosie, Suri, I can see your faces. Unoy and Kaori too. Yeah. Very nice. Oh, who's that? Who is that?
Unoy po.
Okay, Mr. Unoy, what is it?
Ayaw po magbukas ng camera ko, sir. May hacker, sir. May hacker. Ayaw po.
Oh, hindi daw maka-on ng cam, Sir Unoy. Miss Mizu, why are you not turning on your camera? Ha? Okay, hindi mag-turn on ng camera, I will mark as absent. Turn on the camera. Miss Mizu, bakit po may natutulog dito sa class? Ha? Ayan na, nagising na siya. Oh. Ano, sarap ng tulog? Ha? Sarap ng tulog. Miss Rosie. Oh. Ano 'yon? Natutulog ka. Why are you sleeping in my class?
Ba't na-join ako?
Selly baho.
Oy, sino Di ba ang sabi ko sa class na to is respeto. Okay? Respeto. Sino nagsabi nung selibaho? Gusto nyo i-kill ko kayo sa class?
Unoy, sir.
Hindi, sir. Hacker yun, sir. Hacker. Sound waves po ba ng sound waves po ng air. Ang hangin.
Nag-review ba kayo? Ni-review nyo ba yung sinend kong PowerPoint?
Opo.
May GC ka ba? Hindi ko nga rin po alam na may GC, sir.
Bakit wala pa kayo sa GC? Nasaan yung class president? Si Rosie, bakit hindi nyo po inad yung mga to sa GC?
Sir, hindi po nila ako nare-replyan.
Ay, ayo. Bakit hindi kayo nagre-reply?
Nag-reply ako, nag-react ako. Hindi kaya.
Ayan. Sino na lang dito nag-review? Okay, sino secretary nandito? Pakilista po. Miss Roxanne, palista po ng mga nag-review.
Ako po.
Miss Rika, nasan po ikaw?
Sorry, ako. Di pa ako tapos, sir.
Ano?
Sir, naglalag.
Bakit may nasa CR dito? Okay, so do you guys have any ideas what is antonyms and synonyms?
Wala po.
Sir Unoy.
Yes po, sir.
Can you explain what antonym and synonyms are?
Synonyms po, yung
Oy, sino yun?
Sir, okay, sir.
Miss Rika, your mic is on.
Sorry po. Sorry po, sir.
Are you playing in my class? You are playing in my class, ha?
Hindi, sir, hindi.
Explain what is antonym and synonym.
Antonym, sir, that is the iba or different of the gravity of the earth.
I do not understand. Okay, I do not understand. Any hands? Any hands, please? Okay, Kaori is raising her hand.
Sir, antonyms are words that have opposite meaning, while synonyms are words that have similar meanings.
Okay, very good, very good. Palakpakan kay Kaori, okay? That is how
Very
you answer.
good.
Guys, you answer it using English and make sure na we understand. Okay, class, can you tell me who is the first person to discover the Philippines? Roxanne is raising her hand.
The first person to discover the Philippines is Ferdinand Magellan.
Ferdinand, what?
Ferdinand Magellan.
Oh, Ferdinand Magellan. Okay, that is correct. Okay, mag-recitation tayo ngayon, ha? Okay, I will give additional points to those who answer correctly. Sino yung pumatay kay Magellan?
Sir,
Wait,
ako.
Rika, Miss Rika, who is it?
Sir, si Badang.
Who is Badang?
Sir, yung sa Mobile Legends.
Mobile Legends! We are not discussing about Mobile Legends. We are discussing about the history of our country. Ay nako, kaka-ML nyo yan, ha? Kaka-ML nyo yan. Ewan ko na nangyayari sa mga kabataan ngayon, no? Mr. Dark, are you there? Can you hear me? Yes, you, Mr. Dark. Mr. Dark? Hala, nag-freeze ata yung cam. Okay, class. Oy, nag-freeze yung cam pero kumurap.
Sir, naglalagyan, sir.
Huli ka. Okay, nagpe-present
Yung kamay ko.
Ayun na, hindi na pala nag-freeze yung cam niya. Hindi na pala nag-freeze. Okay. I will ask you, Mr. Dark, sino pumatay kay Magellan?
No, sir. No.
Hoy, I am asking you, sino nga yung pumatay kay Magellan?
Hindi ako.
Ano? Anong hindi ikaw? Hindi ko naman sinasabi ikaw yung pumatay kay Magellan. Sino ang pumatay kay Magellan? Okay, I'm asking you.
Hindi ako pumatay, sir. Wala sa akin.
Are you serious right now? Sir, Dark,
Sir, ako sir.
Okay.
Alam ko, sir.
Okay, Gigi. Gigi's raising her hand.
Oh, sir, ang pumatay po kay Magellan po sila pula po, sir.
Sila? Oh, very good. Papan, that's additional points for Gigi. Additional points. So, I have more questions, okay? Ano ang last words ni Jose Rizal?
Sir,
Unoy. Okay.
Sir, ako po,
Sir Unoy, what is it?
Sir, ako po. Last words po ni Jose Rizal, sir. Aray!
Ay, gusto nyo ba ma-minus ng grades? Yes, Rika.
Sir, yung sinabi ni Jose bago siya mamatay, sir,
Oh.
ay siya return.
Wait lang, parang iba yung...
Actually, yung last words niya ay sa Latin. Can I say in English, sir?
Okay.
So, sinabi ng last words ni Jose Rizal ay, it is finished.
Okay.
Tapos na.
Tapos na. Okay. Very good. Okay, class. So, we will now proceed to our next subject. The ESP. Okay? Number 1. Meron kayong nakitang matanda na hihirapan tumawid. What are you gonna do? Okay? A. Huwag pansinin ang matanda. B. Tulungan siyang tumawid. Or C. Pagtawanan. Miss Rika's raising her hand. What is it, Miss Rika?
D, sir,
Ano?
D.
D?
D, sir.
Anong D?
Kasi Marichan.
Okay, I will kick Miss Rika for our meeting for now. Miss Roxanne.
Hindi po kasi, tutulungan mo yung lola, diba?
Yes, that's a very good thing to do.
Sir, may hugot ako, sir.
Ano yon, Miss Rika?
Keyboard ka ba, sir?
Hindi.
Sabi mo,
Ay,
sir, bakit?
bakit?
Sir, keyboard ka, sir.
Oh.
Kasi, sir, type kita.
Okay, i-kick na ulit natin si Rika. Oy, nako, mga antok na. Buti na lang ang next subject natin is mape. Okay? Para magising ang diwa natin, tayo ay magpipi. Okay, ready nyo na. Mag-ready kayo, hindi.
Dito na nga, sir.
Ito ba yung uniform ko, sir? Nandito yung shortcut.
Ano ba gagawin natin, teacher?
Follow my lead. Follow me. First is
Sir,
stretching.
paano?
Oh, stretching. Very good.
Sir, sir.
Sir, kick niyo na po si Tika,
I-kick na
sir.
yan. Kick na yan, kick. Breathe in. So, bago tayo mag-breathe out, gusto ko munang sabihin sa inyo na ang announcement po pala natin for today is bukas magkakaroon pala tayo ng flag ceremony. Ay, breathe out.
Ano yun, sir?
Yan.
Sir,
Good.
flag ceremony, sir. Sa online class.
Hindi, we have face-to-face tomorrow. Ano nangyari kay Miss Mizo?
Ala, sir, baka naimatay.
Hindi yan. Ano lang yan na
Di,
natulog lang si Miss Mizo. Okay. Oh, yan Oo na siya. Breathe in. So, as you can see, ito nga pala this is a very historical katana kasi it passed down from generations to generations ng class. So, last time, hindi nakapag-present si Unoy ng lesson. Okay? Unoy, you may now present. Okay?
Sige po, sir.
You can now share your screen. Share your screen. It's still loading for me.
Naglo-loading pa po.
Oy, what is this opening? What is that?
Presentation ni Pogi.
Trust the process, sir. Okay, sir. So, for my presentation, for Kine-Kine-Meru,
What?
I would
What do
like
you
to
mean
present
Kine-Kine-Meru?
Rain Up po, sir.
What do you mean
Sir.
Kine-Kine-Meru? Why you sing?
Hindi po, sir. Iba po narinig niyo, sir. What I meant was, I will start the presentation, sir. So,
Okay.
first, we have Plankton, sir.
What is that?
Sir,
What?
Plankton is one of the characters from SpongeBob, sir.
Okay.
Tapos, this is Plankton making the
What?
sound,
Hoy!
sir.
How is that related to our topic?
Yes, sir. Kasi, sir, yun yung ginagawa ng sound, sir.
Okay,
Yun
what
yung
is the sound again? What is the
sir.
sound again? What is the sound again? What is the sound? Okay, you can please.
Ganun, sir. And then, sir, we have next, sir. is what the sigma, sir.
Is that a new language?
For example, you're a nerd, sir. Tapos you're gonna say, what the sigma?
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Continue.
And then, next, sir, we have
What?
Yat.
Don't you think that is inappropriate? Can you explain what's happening in the picture?
Let me explain, sir. So what's happening here, sir?
Why are you?
What's happening? I will explain, sir. Sir, let me explain. Let
Let him explain it. Okay, let him
Okay,
explain.
sir.
Why? Why did you choose this photo?
Godzilla. Okay, sir. For my topic about brain rot, sir, I chose these photos, sir, because
Oh.
it's related to the word gyat. Next, sir, is
What is that? Oy!
Wala po. Wala po
Excuse
yun,
me,
sir.
what is that?
Sir, yan, sir. Si I shows kids, sir. He's
Sir, I don't know po. I don't
creator.
Oh, that's the streamer. Okay, what is this? What is this banana?
Okay, sir. This is Bananini Chimpanzee, sir.
Ah!
Ayan, sir.
What again? Say what again? Say what?
Si Bananini Chimpanzee, sir.
Ano, bananinig?
Sir.
What?
Chimpanzee Bananini, sir.
Chimpanzini, bananini. Oh, next. What problem is that?
Si sir. Si Bombardilo Crocodilo, sir.
Are you sure you're not making this up? Okay, continue.
And then, last but not least, sir, si Tralalelo Tropa lang.
What?
Ay,
Okay.
Guys,
Okay,
clap
sir.
your hands.
I love
Okay,
that.
thank you for the presentation, but the few slides, I don't understand what you're talking about there because, you know,
Sir, the history.
that's history. I
Yes,
don't
history
think,
of Gen.
opo, sir.
history of what? History of what?
Brain rot, sir.
Yun, sir.
I don't remember
Yes, sir.
that being in history. Mr. Unoy, I will ask you. So, according to your presentation, what are the lessons we can get from that?
Sir, ano po, sir? Wala po, sir.
Wow, ang galing! Wow, palang galing! Oh my goodness. Wala tayong natutunan. Okay, i-kick na yan sa meeting. Let's go.
My name is Selim Mash, I don't go outside to play. Lagi akong nasa room, almost every day.
Yung camera, sir.
Okay.
Dapat mag-use ito.
Turn on the camera. Our topic for today is... Nalaglag yung camera. Wait lang.
Uniform. Teacher ba yan?
Teacher.